And your name?
Leslie Frese.
Dr. Frese, where are you from?
I'm from Birmingham, Alabama.
Okay. We asked that you kind of talk to us about the program.
Yeah, compared to other courses I've taken, this one was very hands-on. I felt like there was a lot of didactic training that prepared me for the clinical sessions, and I enjoyed that. And I would definitely recommend this course to others who would like to start placing implants in their practice. And probably my favorite thing about doing this course was being able to work with other doctors and discuss cases. While I might have treated 5 or 6 patients, I got to listen to 20 or more cases and discuss them and ask questions, and that was really valuable for me. And I think that it will benefit my practice by giving me the confidence I need to start placing implants, treatment planning correctly, and also restoring dentures and the implants.